But then I guess the macaroon, ignore that. That's from my last video. Um, I'm going to wipe that off and start over. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Eyeko Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Eyeko stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what is in the US version of the February 2021 Lookfantastic, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so for anyone who has been subscribed to my channel for a while, you may be going, W2F, why are you unboxing Lookfantastic? Very good question. I'm wondering the exact same thing. I got billed for this and sent to me, and I don't know why, because I canceled it in December. So, I need to get in contact with them to figure out why they are charging me for a box that I canceled several months ago. Full disclosure, I also did an unboxing video for this box a week or two ago, lost the footage, and am now redoing it. Luckily, I have old lady brain, don't recall the products, but just it's already been pillaged and stuff has been opened. So let's dig in and refresh my memory about how cruddy a box this is and why I canceled. So this does come from the United Kingdom. It does come with a little pamphlet, magazine, booklet that will have information on the products. It does not have prices, and if I recall, when I look them up, they're all going to be British pound. I can't remember. But hey, this will be content for my site, and hopefully for those stumbling on and watching who aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. It will give you enough information so you can go, you know what? I really enjoy those products and want to subscribe. Or, yeah, no, I'm going to save that $19 a month and put it towards an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm or any other $25 box where you get much better and at least full-size products. All right, I am going to get off my little preaching pew and do the actual unboxing now. Okay, so the first item is from something called Magnetone London, and it's called Wipeout Swipes, and it's a 2-pack. Don't know what that is, so let's open her up. Ooh, they're very soft, whatever they are. Oh, interesting. Ooh, they're very soft. So basically little, is there a place to put your fingers? No, that would make too much sense. They're kind of hard to hold on to. I guess you just clean off your makeup with them. Oh, there is a little depiction there. Let me read the pamphlet. Like, do you do it dry, just water, or do you need like a cleanser? All right, so these micro cleansing pads remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Okay, so they're almost like, what are those, the makeup claws? But these are squishy and very, very soft. It says that it's ideal for sensitive skin as no cleansers needed. And then you can just put them in the washing machine. All right, well, I will give them a try because they are super, super soft. It's just the size, it's like, if you have fumble fingers like me, it's, you know, a big makeup remover cloth is easier to use. All right, next item. All right, let's get this one out of the way. So I didn't even remember. I get so many subscriptions. I've been using this hand cream for a while. I'm like, oh, I really like it. And then when I had to locate everything that was in this box to redo the filming, I was like, oh, that's where it came from. This is from Bubble Tea, and it is strawberry macaroon hand and body butter. And let me just say, I love the scent. It first smells like strawberry, But then, I guess the macaroon, ignore that. That's from my last video. I'm going to wipe that off and start over. All right, so let me show you what this is about. It is your standard hand cream, but, oh, it smells so good. At first, when you squirt it, you get the hint of strawberry. But then it reminds me, it must be the macaroon. It reminds me of like a candle that's like kind of like burnt sugar cookie scent. So good. And it makes my hands feel lovely. And I believe this is full size. So there you go. Best item in this box so far. Okay, next item we have from Illamasqua. And this is a Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Primer. And it is a sample size. Illamasqua is a little shishi pricey. And seems to be very European because I get them in these European boxes. Oh, interesting. It is a interesting shade. And it's kind of gel-like. Let's see. Ooh, it adds a nice glowy shimmer. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. I can tell. So there you go. You get to try an Illamasqua glowy face primer. All right, next item. What is this? A very tiny sample. It's called Balance Me and Glow Mask. It's a lovely whopping 10 milliliter sample. This product here is a chemical facial exfoliant which will help to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. It has a blend of AHAs which encourages the shedding of any dull or dry skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath. Okay, well, I'm always looking out for something to give me glowy skin. I love exfoliating, so I will toss this in my shower and give it a try. All right, next item is the world's smallest little sample. What is this? Okay, so this is from, I don't know until I look at the book because the writing's so small. Okay, so this is from a company called Galactic, and it's a lid gloss. I had to read it 3 times because I thought it said lip gloss, but it's a lid gloss, which is a liquid eyeshadow, which will take your makeup look to the next level. It's mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. Okay. Let's see what shade I got. Whoa! Oh my God. That came out squirting. And yeah, so they weren't, you know, when they meant glittery, they meant glittery. Look at that. Okay. Well, now the back of my hand is ready to go clubbing. Yeah, so if you're into the glitter, you may enjoy this. It's a very tiny sample. All right, on to the last item this video. Let me know. Are you still watching? Are you enjoying this? What do we got? Okay. Yay, a brand I'm familiar with. This is from Elemis, which is a very shishi brand. And this is a Papaya Enzyme Peel. I swear to God, this exact same product, this sounds familiar. Was it recently in an Ipsy box that you could pick, or FabFitFun? Let me know if you have received the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel recently in one of your boxes. And if so, what box was that? This again is a sample. It is 15 milliliters. And let's find out if it's a peel off or wash off. Okay, so this is a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients which will repair, protect, and clarify your skin. It's ideal for all complexions, and this exfoliator will get rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasions. You put it over clean skin, and you have to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. That's so long to be wasting water in the shower. Or if you're a lazy girl like me, sitting in a chair, getting up, putting what? No. All right. Well, this will probably be in a future giveaway. Let me know. Are you into the leave on for 20-minute masks or enzyme peels? It's just not my cup of tea. But anyway, so there we go. Let's recap what was in this box. I swear, exfoliator, little soft makeup removing pads, a really nice smelling hand cream, a very tiny sample of a shiny glittery liquid eyeshadow, and a primer from Illamasqua. Yes, so you may now understand why I canceled this box. Canceled-ish. Why are they charging me and sending me a box 3 months after I canceled? Let me know. Has this happened to you as well? Anyways, I'm going to list on the screen all of the prices after I've done some math with the sample sizes, looked up on Google dollars to pounds, and it may or may not be close, but it will be close-ish to see what the value of the items you get when you spend $19. Yes, so if you do get this box, it does come from Great Britain. Takes a little longer to ship. But there you go. Comment down below. I swear to God, the unboxing videos I've seen in the past are all the boxes from Great Britain, and they get better stuff. So in the U.S., just this is what you're going to get. However, their advent calendar is spectacular, so I will be getting that this year, which I'm super excited for. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I'd love for you to subscribe. Click that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And if you are subscribed, remember to hit that bell notification so that you're reminded of my next video. Thanks, everyone.